Terminated on sight. Though armed with advanced weaponry, predators often prefer to use simple melee weapons on a hunt, as they see it far more. Jason clearly still takes damage. With Jason's far superior strength, a melee weapon such as a club or an axe is completely out of the question.
7th in the world. Otto is on the main stage for Melee in the new world of esports.
The top prize of $6.6 million.
Either presented a behind-the-camera perspective for Melee, or you get a first or third-person shooter control scheme and feel. And you will likely hate gun
armor of the Athenian forces, and when close to melee range were made short work of. Leading the Persian troops was a force of 10,000 or more skilled archers, however. Bows were seen as less honorable than melee weapons because the average Viking preferred to get up close to an enemy rather than seem coward wrestling circuits, and typically take the form of normal singles, doubles, triples, four-ways, or melee matches, with the added caveat that
right here to check out Ian and Carl over at InRangeTV. Now, they just published a first video about World War I melee weapons that were used.
Domestic form of martial arts that seems to fight with their hands and feet, as well as various melee weapons such as swords, spears, and throwing discs with